Sharon spends all of her income on peaches and strawberries. Peaches are a normal good for her. Her income increased by 20% and prices did not change. Her consumption of strawberries could not have increased by more than 20%. Okay, peaches are a normal good. Her income increased by 20%. Her consumption of strawberries could not have increased by more than 20%. What if her consumption of strawberries increases by more than 20%? Her consumption of strawberries could not have increased by more than 20%. Why is this true? Let's take an example. Let's say income goes from 100 to 120. Okay, and let's say peaches and strawberries had the same income, increased by 20%, prices did not change. Let's say utility function was xy for example. Let's say for the sake of argument, utility function is xy and px equals to py equals to 1. So in this situation, what will happen is that she will spend 1/4 of her income on x and 3/4 of her income on y. So when income was 100, she would be spending 25 rupees here and 75 rupees here. When income goes up by 20%, everything will go up by 20%. Okay, that's not what I am looking for. Okay, expenditure on good y is equals to py into amount of good y. Okay, so delta expenditure on good y is equals to py into delta y. Okay, delta by ey is equals to py by delta y into py by y. Okay, so py से py cancel हो गया. So delta expenditure on good y by expenditure on good y is equal to delta y by y, change in quantity of good y upon quantity of good y, which is given to be greater than 20%. So this thing is greater than 0.2. Okay, actually the problem is I don't see why it cannot be. I'm not really sure how do I prove it. So delta expenditure on good y upon ey will be greater than 0.2. So her expenditure on good y increases by more than 20%. But you can still have, for example, let's say her income was 100, expenditure on good x was 50 and expenditure on good y was 50. Let's say afterwards what happens is income becomes 120, expenditure on good x becomes 55 and expenditure on good y becomes 75. So as you can see, expenditure on good y increased by 65. So as you can see, expenditure on good y increased by 30% and expenditure on good x increased by 10%. Okay, yet good x is still a normal good because total expenditure is going up. I don't see why it cannot happen. Her consumption of strawberries could not have increased by more than 20%. For her, I think it is false. It should be false. Okay, so consumption of strawberries can go up by more than 20%. Okay, it can totally go up by 20%.